So today, I'm breaking down 5 AI-powered side hustles that can help you make serious money in 2025, and you don't need to be a tech genius to start. Oh, and by the way, hustle number 5 is so good. You're going to start using it to pay your rent. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1. YouTube is like the modern-day gold rush, except instead of shovels, you've got AI tools that do all the work for you. Ever heard of faceless YouTube channels? It's basically running a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. And no, it's not just conspiracy theory channels. Although let's be real, those do numbers. Here's how it works. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging scripts. You just type, "Give me a 5-minute YouTube script about crazy millionaire habits," and boom, instant content. 2. AI tools like Pictory or RunwayML can generate videos for you without filming a single thing. 3. If you don't want to talk, AI-generated voices from ElevenLabs can narrate your videos. Take Matt Parr, for instance. He operates multiple faceless YouTube channels across various niches, generating monthly earnings between $20,000 to $35,000. By automating tasks like script writing and voice narration with AI, Matt has significantly reduced production time and costs, leading to substantial income, and he's never recorded a single word himself. AI does the writing. AI does the voiceover. AI edits the videos. At this point, AI is probably cashing his checks too. Side hustle number 2. Let me put you on to a little secret. People are lazy, and lazy people love done-for-you products. That's why selling digital products is such a gold mine. So here's how it works. Use ChatGPT or Claude AI to write ebooks, journals, or guides. Use Midjourney or Canva AI to create templates, planners, or digital art. Sell them on Etsy, Amazon, Gumroad, or your own website. Consider Lizzie, a TikToker and entrepreneur who started selling AI-generated digital products on Etsy. In her first month, she achieved 200 sales, prompting her to open multiple shops and hire a virtual assistant to manage the growing demand. And the best part about this is that once you create the product once, it sells forever. It's like setting up a vending machine that prints money while you sleep. Third side hustle idea. Businesses love chatbots because they work 24/7, never take bathroom breaks, and don't ask for raises. So what you can do is use platforms like ChatGPT API, MiniChat, or BotPress to build AI chatbots. Offer these bots to small businesses that need enhanced customer support or lead generation. Charge a setup fee along with a monthly retainer for ongoing maintenance. Genius, right? Chase Reiner tried this. He is an entrepreneur who leverages AI-powered advertising and lead follow-ups. By integrating AI chatbots into his business model, Chase generates between $50,000 to $60,000 per month. There's another guy who built a chatbot for a pizza shop, and now his bot takes orders, answers FAQs, and even cracks dad jokes while customers wait for their delivery. And guess what? He's making $2,000 per month from that one chatbot. By the way, if you're loving these AI side hustle ideas, smash that like button so the YouTube gods know I'm helping you out. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video on how to turn AI into a full-time income. All right, let's get back into it. Every business on the planet needs words, whether it's for ads, websites, or email marketing. But guess what? Most of them suck at writing. And this is how you will leverage this idea. Use AI tools like Jasper AI, Copy.ai, or ChatGPT to write ad copy, blog posts, or social media captions. You need really good prompts to ensure you get the best output too. Edit them properly so they sound human and you can avoid plagiarism. Offer your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses. Charge $100 to $500 per project, or set up a subscription model. Take a look at Isabella Cotsias, a social media influencer who integrates AI into her workflow. By automating tasks such as content creation, she has increased productivity and now earns approximately $100,000 monthly. I know someone who writes AI-generated Instagram captions for fitness influencers. They're making $5,000 a month just coming up with Motivation Monday quotes. Imagine getting paid to type "no pain, no gain" and calling it a day. This is one of the easiest AI side hustles to start, and businesses will gladly pay you to enhance their brand with great content. Number 5. You know those deep, soothing voices in commercials? Yeah, believe it or not, You don't need golden vocal cords anymore to get paid for that. This is what you will do. Use AI voice generators like ElevenLabs, Murf AI, or Play.ht to produce professional-grade voiceovers. Offer services for YouTube channels, audiobooks, or ads. Sell audiobooks on platforms like Audible, ACX, or your own website, and you are in business. And with more people consuming audiobooks than ever, this is a side hustle that's only going to get bigger. All right, there you have it. 5 AI side hustles that can print money in 2025. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see my next video on how to turn AI into a full-time income, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one.